Hello, everyone. We're sending out jubilant joy, amazing health, pouring down prolific prosperity, perfect peace, and unparalleled love to everyone. And thank you ever so much for joining me here on my channel of S.P.A.R.X. Spiritual poetry, arousing rare experiences. My name is Wayne, and I am a light worker and a poet sent to the whole world. And today's inspirational, motivational, uplifting, and original poem is entitled Light Workers Assemble. I have tread through boundless plains of oceans and grasslands bursting with flowers and wheat. I have scanned these ever-expansive, intangibly vast, complex, and ever-changing domains. All this awesome splendor has been created and decreed for all the masses from His mercy seat. I am a bright morning star. Share the light of love and pray for all your desires and gains. Throughout your childhood, you knew you were different, although you always tried to adapt. You have a profound care for Mother Earth and deeply concerned about the well-being of humanity. With these unique empathic qualities and loving nature, your spiritual healing powers are being unwrapped. You easily can detect positivity and negativity around you, and one who shies away from profanity. You have been chosen to help battle the negative energies that plague people with our enhanced empathy. As divine ordained servants, we know the importance of spreading light and love in the world. This burning fury of divine power calls us, light workers, assemble, for this is your eternal legacy. In this golden age of massive conscious awakening, you will work, and your work for others will make riches unfurl. May we go forth in competence in helping brighten someone else's day and make them smile. May we help others transform from the inside and attain the magnificence they are endowed to experience. May our endeavors instill a divine sense of worth and higher calling to those who go the extra mile, where all thoughts are of compassion and love, light-hearted, humble, and gregarious. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button. Please share. Leave a comment. I would appreciate it. And until next time, God bless you all, and namaste.